In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change leverage in Tradingview paper trading so you can practice with different risk levels. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load your chart. Make sure you are connected to paper trading. You can check this in the trading panel at the bottom. If not connected, click paper trading and press connect. Once connected, look at the bottom panel again. Click on paper trading to open your account details. Now find the settings or gear icon. Click on it to open account options. Here you'll see an option called reset account. Click on reset account to continue. Now this is the important part. You'll see leverage settings for different asset types. Choose your desired leverage like 1x, 5x, 10x or higher depending on your strategy. You can set different leverage for stocks, crypto, forex or futures. After selecting your leverage, click reset to apply changes. Keep in mind this will reset your paper trading account. Your current trades and history will be cleared. But you'll get a fresh balance with your new leverage settings. Now, you can start trading again with updated risk levels. Use lower leverage for safer practice and higher leverage to test aggressive strategies. That's it. You've successfully learned how to change leverage in Tradingview paper trading. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.